Yeah, my name is Harsh Trehan. I'm associate director with the company, and I look after international business. So we are basically into hygiene and disinfectant product, and we are among the leading manufacturer of this set of products. If you see in the entire IPEX, we are the only some different company with a different set of molecules. And not only this, now we have further expanded ourselves into dermatology, and we have now dermatology in the form of antifungal, antibacterials, some liquid solutions. So we are further expanding. We have just taken another project, which we will start very soon. We are trying to tie up with an Italian company, and we are trying to bring some medical devices. So we are entering into a sector of dental implants, then orthopedic implants, then spinal implants. So that's a new set of segment which probably we will display in the next IPEX. So maybe IPEX to IPEX you will find Microgen growing and with some new set of molecules and products. So it's a good pleasure and it's a good platform to be part of IPEX. And we want the IPEX should flourish everywhere. But we expect something more to happen. I will say on the positive side, there has been a decent number of foreign travelers and clients, and let's hope we have some good business. At the end of the day, it should not happen that there is no business. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time, and it's a pleasure.